Hello, trading is closed on December 30th, 2019. Let's go over our calls. We've got this as the pattern with the early low, which is what it is, and tomorrow's pattern has the early high. We said unless we gap and promptly overtake the high of the day, lower prices should print. The commonest thing is a gap and a fast move outside the day's range. We didn't really have a gap. In fact, we stopped our streak of 9 straight days of gapping up. But we did move quickly outside the day's range. So it's, I've said it a number of times, a quick move outside the range is pretty much equivalent to a gap. It certainly is close enough for me. MEJT said this drop was false. Price it would retrace. Said ultimately lower price it would print. They did, but it now says the move is false. Gives us a target of 3227.40. Most likely to print tomorrow. Unless we gap down smartly, that's my call. Tuesday's pattern has the early high. Typically it's a rally day, high in the final hours. If it doesn't work, you drop in a straight line. Prices dropped all day, but they couldn't close under prior lows. This black line is the close. We closed over this low, over all these lows. We even closed over all these lows. So that's a rejection of the lows and should lead to higher prices. Now, of course, tomorrow's open is a substitute for today's close. I'm basing the call on the fact that this close is legit. I mean, if we open down here tomorrow, then that signal's gone. But we do have a clear 5 waves down. This last wave is 5 waves down. As long as we don't gap down, we should see higher prices. We have this target plus this optional one, which doesn't have to print, but usually will. And that's what we say. Expect higher prices to print. Now, normally I do a bunch of stuff with stockcharts.com. Stockcharts.com, it's down. So I don't have access to all the data I normally have. Next week I have personal business. I try to post every day. Next week I won't be able to do it. So tomorrow, pattern with the early high. This is a positive pattern since we couldn't take out the lows. Tomorrow's usually positive. There could be all kinds of things messing things up because of tax-related trading. New Year's Eve, be aware of that, but in general this is a positive pattern. And absent an early gap down, I think we'll see higher prices. Here are my targets, and that's today's call.